Hello, my beautiful people. This is Hannah Sharif again. Today, I want us to talk about bad attitude that can sabotage our relationships, our marriages, and all that. I have 7 bad attitudes that I want us to discuss, but I'm gonna make in two videos or 3 videos. But before that, please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go do so. Click on the red subscription button and also tap the notification bell so when I post a video, you get the notification and you can watch. Please, please, please go and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So, bad attitude number 1, okay, is pride. Most often, we allow pride to sabotage our marriages. We allow pride to destroy our relationships that we have invested in financially, emotionally, time with children. You know, we allow pride to do that. And sometimes pride can lead us to act as though we are better than our own partners, the people that we share relationship with, the people that we share bed with. The moment you start acting like you're better than your partner, your spouse, you are heading for trouble. It is not going to work. I've experienced it. It will not work. When your partner start acting like they're way better than you, or everything they do is way better than how you do it, even in terms of education, they think the degree that they're going to acquire is better than the degree that you have, or they take important to what they're doing and less important to yours, acting as though they're better than you. That is a recipe for disaster. So pride, we all know, is ugly and it is not good. Okay, how do we fix this? You trade pride for humility. You trade that by treating your partner with humility. So trade pride with humility. Find ways to lift your partner up. Find ways to build your partner up. Find ways to make your partner happy. This is for both genders. Okay, the moment you do that, you're going to realize you yourself, you're going to be happy, and people around you are going to like you better. So trade pride for humility. Lift each other up, because we know when we take that vow, marriage is for better and for worse, till death do you part. Okay, trade pride for humility. Bad attitude number 2 that will sabotage our relationships or our marriages is ungratefulness. Most often, some of us, we really focus on the negative aspect of our partners. Then we do focus on the negative aspect of our spouses, our boyfriends, fiancés, and all that, or our wives, girlfriends. We focus on, their flaws instead of focusing on the good things that they do. We focus on the bad things. We're always criticizing them. We're always putting them down. And we are not grateful for the little things that they do for us. Most often, even the cooking, the cleaning, and all that, if your spouse is doing that, those are the little things. Appreciate it. Ungratefulness is not good. Ungratefulness leave a bad odor in the air. So how do we fix that? You switch that with gratitude. Gratitude takes us a long way. When you are grateful, spend time appreciating what your spouse does, what your wife, your husband do. Spend time to be thankful. Thank them. Whenever they do something, be grateful. Just thank them and tell them how appreciative you are of what they have done or what they are doing, or even how they speak. Speak well of your partner to others. Speak well of your partner in public. We know there are marriages that are not perfect, but trust me, most women, when they go out there, they speak so well of their husbands, you want to marry that man. Okay, so that is what gratitude is about. That is what keeps the marriage intact. But whenever you go out there, you are talking bad about your spouse, it's not good. So be grateful. Now we're replacing that bad attitude number 2, the ungratefulness, 2, gratitude, speaking well of your partner. Count your blessings that you have this person in your life that is there, helping you, doing things for you. Appreciate the little things around us. That is how we replace ungratefulness with gratitude. Bad attitude number 3, number 2, is irritation and annoyance. Irritation and annoyance. Some people are easily irritated, easily annoyed by everything somebody says to them, or everything their spouses say or their partners say. They become angry, they become annoyed, they become irritated. That is a bad attitude. We got to understand, okay? When you live with someone, we are bound to irritate one another, but the choice is always ours to either take it personal, get irritated, get annoyed, or to take it in good faith. Most often, we take this attitude of irritation, and it becomes a problem in our marriages. It becomes a problem in our relationship, and that destroys the marriage. Because if you are a person that is always annoyed by what your spouse say, by what your partner say, then you know for sure you are heading down to disaster. That is why I keep telling people, marry your kind. If you already started dating somebody and you know this person, by having conversation with them, they irritate you, please don't get into that marriage. So bad attitude number 4 is irritation and annoyance. How do we fix that? How do we fix bad attitude number 3, which is annoyance and irritation? We trade that in with enjoyment and acceptance. Learn to enjoy what your partner do. Learn to enjoy how they talk to you. Accept the ones that you cannot enjoy. Accept them. Learn to laugh at things, even sometimes if they are not funny. It depends on how you take it. If you put that annoyance aside and learn to accept what they are saying or how they are saying it, you can make fun out of it. You can enjoy it. So learn to do that. Replace that annoyance with enjoyment. The conversations that you cannot enjoy, accept it and move on. I bet we all have our own flaws that our partners don't like, but they learn and try to accept us for who we are. So we should in turn do that. So we are going to replace bad attitude number 3 that will destroy our marriages, which is irritation and annoyance, with enjoyment and acceptance. You accept what your partner do. You accept how they talk, what they say. If you cannot enjoy the conversation, accept it. And if you don't like it, there is a way you say it that will not annoy the person or will not belittle your partner. Okay? That is how we fix. We're going to replace bad attitude, irritation, and annoyance with enjoyment and acceptance.